Simple beauty tips that every teenage girl should know. Adolescence is the time in a girl's life when they want to experiment with different products and discover things that make them shine. I will give you some beauty tips that you can use if you want to look your best. With these helpful and easy to follow tips, being beautiful every day is no longer hard. Tip number 1. Never skip your skincare routine. Your skin is a canvas and should get the same care as your hair and nails. Like most women, you rush out the door every morning or are very tired by bedtime. But there's no reason not to care for yourself regarding your face. Most women think makeup is the best way to look better. They need to learn how important it is to care for the skin that shows through their makeup. Taking care of your skin is one key to a healthy glow. Every woman should take care of her face and do what she can to improve it through daily habits. Cleansing should always be the first step in a beauty process. Use a gentle cleaner to wash your face well at least twice daily, in the morning and when you get home from work. Use soft, rolling strokes when you rub, then wash your face. After you wash your face, you should tone it. Use a good cleaner that is gentle. You can spray it on your face or use a cotton ball to put it on. This gets the blocked pores to open up. Apply a moisturizer after toning. Moisturizing your skin maintains it healthy and avoids dryness. These 3 stages are part of the CTM regimen, the first and most important step in getting perfect skin. Follow this technique daily to get bright skin. Use a soft scrub to exfoliate your face once a week. This aids in the removal of dead skin cells and stimulates cell renewal. It is recommended to use a homemade sugar scrub since it is mild on your skin. Tip number 2. Always carry a lip balm. Lip balm is the most helpful thing ever made, and everyone should always have one with them. Lip balm can be used for much more than keeping your lips moist. You'll be happily surprised to find out what. This little hero does a lot more than keep your lips from getting chapped. Tip number 3. Never give sunscreen a miss. Even though you've heard this information 1,000 times before, hearing it again won't hurt. It's one of the best top 10 beauty tips we're about to give you. Use sunscreen every day, no matter the season or where you are. It protects your skin from the sun's damaging UVA and UVB rays and is the best way to slow down the aging process. A broad-spectrum sunscreen will protect your face from wrinkles, dark spots, coloring, and skin cancer. Choose a sunscreen that doesn't clog pores to avoid getting pimples. Tip number 4. Keep your hands off your face as much as you can. One of the top 10 beauty tips ever has to be that you should try not to touch your face as much as possible. During the day, your hands touch many things and get dirty, grimy, and full of germs. Every time you touch your face with something, you leave behind many germs. This makes your face a minefield of possible zits. Only touch your face if you've washed your hands carefully with antibacterial soap. No, hand sanitizers don't count. Tip number 5. Drink the right kind of liquid. Even though this sounds strange, please hear us out because this is the best beauty tip for your face. It's hard to get up in the morning without a strong cup of coffee, but does it help your skin in any way? Dermatologists say that choosing the right drink can make a big difference on your face. Drink about half a liter of water every morning to shine, oxygenate, and moisten your face. Another great way to change your face quickly is to drink a glass of fresh green juice with lots of vegetables daily for breakfast. Tip number 6. Care for your hair. It is important to care for your hair, especially if you want shiny, healthy hair. You should shampoo and condition your hair regularly and use a good quality hair oil or serum to keep it conditioned. You should also avoid using too much heat, which can damage your hair strands. Braiding your hair can help it grow long and strong. Braid your hair when it is damp. This will help in preventing the breakage of strands and split ends. In addition, this will also give you a unique way of styling your hair in different ways. If you want to keep your hair strong and shiny, then be gentle with it. Avoid brushing or combing your hair roughly when it is wet. Instead, brush or comb gently when it is dry. This will prevent unnecessary breakage of strands and split ends from occurring. To keep your hair healthy and shiny, make sure that you apply a deep conditioner once a week. You may want to use the conditioner before you shower so that your hair strands are well moisturized by the time you step into the shower. A deep conditioner once a week will help keep your hair healthy. Here are some things you can do to improve the health of your hair. Wash your hair at least twice a week, but at most 3 times. Avoid using too much heat when you style your hair. Use a good quality hair oil or serum to keep your hair looking healthy. Tip number 7. Eyes. It's no secret that the health of our skin influences how we are regarded, but the condition of our eyes is just as important, if not more. The eyes are the windows to the soul, but they are also one of the first characteristics that others notice about you. Healthy brows have a big impact on your entire look. Pluck them gently, start tiny, and maintain them inside the natural curve of your face. Tweezing is an art form that will improve with time and practice. If you're not comfortable plucking your brows, get them trimmed by a professional. Sunglasses not only protect your eyes from damaging UVA and UVB rays, but they also make you look good. Dark hues are best for daytime use, while bright colors look great with a summer tan. Choose sunglasses that filter 100% of UV rays if you have sensitive eyes. Most essential, while driving, wear. People who have dry skin around their eyes should use creams. They hydrate the region while also reducing dark circles and puffiness. Apply an eye cream that is suited for your skin type every morning and evening. With consistent application, you'll notice a change in the look of your eyes. A good night's sleep is essential for keeping your eyes healthy. When you're tired, the skin around your eyes becomes dull and puffy. Get at least 8 hours of sleep every night to recharge your skin. It's usually a lack of sleep and dehydration. Tea bags, cucumber slices, and a yellow or apricot tinted concealer work like magic. Tip number 8. Makeup. As a teenager, you need to be careful when it comes to makeup. During this time, your skin may break out when you use makeup. Here are some tips to help you get started. Please don't buy something until you've tried it first. There may be other things in different brands and types of makeup. Try it on your skin first to see if it looks good. If you can, ask the business for samples. Check to see if it is spreading diseases. Identify your best feature and enhance it. Do you have lovely eyes? To highlight them, line them appropriately. Do you have large lips? Why not line them and apply gloss or lipstick? Do not use too much foundation on your skin. This is because your skin is tender and needs to breathe. Too much foundation clogs the pores and makes your makeup look fake and cakey. Using a foundation on acne-prone skin might aggravate the outbreaks. It would be ideal if you used concealer to cover up the imperfections and a tinted moisturizer on your face. You could even use a BB or CC cream. Tip number 9. Take care of your nails. One of the best beauty tips for women is to take care of your nails. You can make so many different nail designs and try them out. If your nails are long, you can get tips that are round or square. You can also put French nail polish on your nails. You have to look at some techniques and decide which one you like best. Tip number 10. Keep your feet soft and smooth. It would help if you also cared for your feet when cleaning yourself. You can remove rough skin on your feet with a simple pumice stone. This is a cheap way to care for your feet and keep them looking great. Getting a pedicure is another great way to get soft, smooth feet. You can give yourself a pedicure at home or go to a spa and have someone else do it for you. Any way you look at it, this is a fun and easy way to keep your toes looking great. Lotion is always a good idea if you want to keep your feet soft and smooth. After you get out of the shower, put lotion on your feet and put on thick socks to keep them soft. Olive oil is another interesting way to keep your feet smooth and soft. Since olive oil has been used for hundreds of years to make skin and hair look better, it makes sense that it would also help the skin on the bottoms of your feet. Tip number 11. Be ready with a smile. It would help if you always took care of your teeth, whether you have a date this weekend or not. Many people don't know that their smiles change the way they look as a whole. People will think differently of someone based on how their teeth look. It can also affect the general health of their mouth, and if they don't take care of their teeth, they could have other health problems. If you brush and floss your teeth every day, you won't get cavities or gum disease. These are the main reasons you should take care of your teeth. Eating a healthy, balanced diet is also good for your teeth because it helps get rid of plaque. Plaque can lead to tooth damage when it builds up on your teeth. To stop this from happening, you should eat foods that are high in fiber and other nutrients that keep your mouth healthy. Exercise is also very important because it will improve the look and feel of your skin by bringing more blood to your face. Working out will also make you feel better about yourself, which will make you smile more often in your daily life. These are just a few tips I can give you. Thank you. See you in the next one. Bye.